So I said, Barakallah fiqh, that if the person, he was giving money to somebody, and he found out later on that he's not in need of this money, because he's not in need of it. He's in need of something else. It's not for food. And he is, let's say, buying jewels with it. Never mind buying a house. Okay? Buying a jewel with it. Then it is up to you or to give the money. It's still rewardable. It's still rewardable, because building a house or eating the food, all of it is need as well. Do you understand me? Unless they're building a mansion, that's something else. But they're building a house, that's a need as well. So that's rewardable. But I thought as well they're lying, as in they are not poor, they are rich. Those are they're okay. So those who pretend to be poor but they're rich, I would be nice to them, but I will at the same time, I will stop and direct my money to other relatives if you have. Otherwise, they will be more rewardable to the normal. But don't stop your presents, gifts. Give them gifts, but not the regular money that you give as a charity. No. Allah musta'an. Unfortunately, there are people like this, whether relatives or non-relatives. Once you start giving them one end of the rope, they like to have the whole rope. Once you start giving them, they get used to it. And not only that, they dare themselves to ask, give me, having given me last year. Okay? They just start, and the Muslim should never be in the lower hand. Who's in the upper hand? Yeah, don't be lower hand. Imagine you go to somebody and ask him money and he said to you, I haven't got. How humiliated you are. You go to ask somebody and you expect him to give you, and he's like, I'm sorry, brother, I can't give you because I've got lots of commitment. And you know that he hasn't got any commitment. But because he doesn't want to give you, because he feels that you are a person who doesn't deserve it. And that's why the Prophet of Allah said, Izhad bima fi yadi nas wa yahbuka an-nas. Be in despair. Give up hope of gaining what is in the hands of the people. People will love you. Give up hope in gaining what is in the hands of the people. Be ascetic. You're not asceticism. Asceticism is like to refrain yourself from gaining anything in the possession of other people. People will love you. Don't ask them. Don't ask them to borrow their car. Don't ask them to borrow their house. Don't ask them to borrow whatever they want to borrow. They'll love you more. But you keep asking them, they don't like you. This is a chipped into us.